Hello, good evening. This whole discourse around science, commerce, and humanities being chosen by students after 10, why is it such a big problem? I think the problem is not just in terms of the decision making about these subject groups, but also in terms of this watertight compartmentalization of these groups. I think it is high time that we stop making these clear demarcation lines between science, humanities or commerce. We should be able to allow students to choose between some bits of science and some bits of commerce or humanities depending on their interest, because the future is about liberal education. So students who want to pursue science can also take some parts of the other subject groups, and students who want to pursue commerce or humanities can take a little bit of science. I think it's high time that we start moving towards this. There are quite a few universities in India who are already doing a good lot about this particular approach of liberal education. The second problem is about why students are using marks to decide between commerce or science or humanities. See, let's look at the Indian education system or the Indian job market. Right from higher education institutions to getting into private sector jobs or government sector jobs, we see that because of the large number of candidates who are applying to these places for jobs or for education, the system is over relying on entrance exams and the marks that they get in these exams to decide on the fate of these candidates. Now institutions are using it, and hence students also find it to be the one yardstick that they have to choose between science and commerce and humanities, which is as wrong as it can get. The selection between science and commerce or humanities should be based on the kind of capabilities which are required to perform the jobs that they will take up in future. See, the industry needs the capabilities of different types, and that should be the yardstick for the students to take up the group of subjects based on their underlying skills or the kind of strengths that they possess. The other problem around 10th board exams is that it is an assessment of what the student knows in a few subjects like science, mathematics, social sciences and languages. The kind of skills which are required by the industry and also by different professions which are linked to, let's say, commerce or science or humanities, they need skills. The kind of skills that I'm talking about are critical thinking skills, problem solving skills, analytical skills, communication skills. Is the 10th board exam really testing these skills? The answer is a clear no. So how can the marks which a student gets be used for selecting different group of subjects which lead to different professions? What can be done is that a student should be using a psychometric inventory to figure out what kind of underlying skills he or she has, and then go about deciding the kind of group of subjects that he or she should pursue. Thank you so much.